Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how they make rock candy. We'll explore the fascinating process of turning simple sugar and water into beautiful, edible crystals. It all begins with creating a special sugar solution, much more concentrated than usual. This solution then patiently allows sugar molecules to arrange themselves into larger, sparkling formations. It's a delightful blend of kitchen chemistry and a little bit of waiting. The magic behind rock candy lies in a concept called supersaturation. When you heat water, it can dissolve significantly more sugar than it normally would at room temperature. As this hot, sugar-laden water cools, the sugar remains dissolved, creating a supersaturated solution. This unstable state means the sugar molecules are eager to find a surface, like a string or stick, to begin forming stable crystal structures. To make rock candy, you'll typically combine 2 parts sugar with 1 part water. For example, 2 cups of sugar to 1 cup of water. Heat this mixture gently, stirring until every single sugar crystal has completely dissolved. Then, carefully pour the hot, clear solution into a clean glass jar. Suspend a string or a wooden stick into the liquid, ensuring it doesn't touch the bottom or sides. Now, the waiting game begins, usually for about 7 to 10 days. For the best rock candy, make sure your string or stick has a slightly rough surface. This gives the sugar molecules more places to attach. Patience is key. Avoid moving the jar once the crystallization process has started. You can also add a few drops of food coloring or a quarter teaspoon of flavoring extract to your solution for colorful, tasty variations. Once complete, store your beautiful, homemade rock candy in an airtight container.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.